Did you study what I taught in the last class? No. So why?
Energy will also
Okay. Let's start today's class. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Listen up. Please come. Here we have a ball. Okay. Krishna is going to kick this ball. All of you just watch it. What did you observe here? Yes. Yes. Listener just kick the ball and the ball start to move. Yes. After some time the ball comes to rest. Right? Yes. So we all observe that a body, if we have a moving body, it will come to stop after some time. Okay, this is a moving body and it comes to stop after some time. At least 2000 years, the assumption was that every object has a natural tendency to stop. What was the assumption, Anne-Marie?
Every object has a natural
Yes.
tendency.
Good. Sit down. Every object has a natural tendency to stop. But then a gentleman called Sir Isaac Newton, Sir Isaac Newton came up with new threats. He said any object have a tendency, any object have a tendency to continue its velocity, their speed, their direction, if unless an unbalanced external force acts on it. What he said? Yes, he said maybe every object have a tendency to continue their velocity, their speed and their direction unless an unbalanced force acts on it. Okay. So after some time we can see when listener came and hit this ball, we saw that after some time the ball came to stop. Okay. Now these inferences, I ask you now, you know that if a body start moving, it came to rest. Is there any forces generating them?
Kind of.
How can Sir Isaac Newton say that every object can go on forever? What do you think? There is no object have a natural tendency to stop. This is because of the interaction with the environment, forces are being generated. And these forces acting against the motion of the object or the particle. Okay. Anjana, in this particular example, what can you say? What will be the force generated? Yes, we have a name to this resistance force. Yes, frictional force. Sit down. We know that when the body, there is an interaction with the object and the ground, there is a force generated, which is called frictional force. We already studied that frictional force is a stopping force, right? Okay. From these inferences, all these inferences led Newton to his first law of motion. So what is Newton's first law of motion? Agina,
Every object continues in its
state of rest. Every object
continues in its state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line unless an unbalanced external force acts on it.
very good. Sit down. So what this is Newton's first law of motion. if there is no external force acting on this object, it will maintain a constant velocity. Clear? It will go on forever if there is no external force acting on it. Okay. So if that velocity is zero, the object remains in the rest. Clear?
Yes.
So, and Maria, so what is Newton's first law of motion?
Every body continues to be in the state of rest or of uniform motion unless it is in a straight line, unless it is has an external unbalanced external
If
force.
unbalanced external force acts on it. Next, we are going to see some common tendencies that explained by Newton's first law. Have you ever experienced your body moving forward while
Yes.
traveling the bus or car? Yes. When the car or bus are placed at a brake, then the body will move forward. What is actually happening here? Okay, this is because the resistance of the body to continue its state of motion. While the bus or car suddenly stops, our lower part of the body comes to rest first with the car or bus, and our upper part of the body tends to remain in the state of motion. And this tendency of the body is known as inertia of motion. So what is inertia of motion?
The tendency of the object to continue in the state of motion.
Yes, very good. So similarly, have you ever experienced your body moving backward?
Yes, when the suddenly take.
Yes. When the bus or car starts moving, our body moves backward. What is the reason? Do you know that?
Yes. Body
Yes, this is because when the car or bus starts moving, lower part of the body comes to the motion with the car or the bus, and the upper part of the body will tend to remain in the state of rest. That's why our body moving backward. So can you say what is inertia then?
Inertia is the tendency of the body to continue the state of rest or state of uniform motion.
We studied inertia of motion, inertia of rest. From these two things we can say what is inertia. In simple words we can say that inertia is the tendency of the body to remain unchanged. Disha, what is inertia?
Inertia is our body continuing.
Yes. The tendency of the body to remain unchanged. So, Reshma, what is inertia of motion?
The tendency of body to remain in its motion.
Tendency of the body to remain in state of motion. Riya, what is inertia of rest?
Tendency of body to remain in state of rest.
State of
Rest.
rest. Okay, very good. Do you have any doubts in this section?
No.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So there is some simple experiment here illustrating inertia of rest. Okay. Agila, please. Here we have a beaker with water and a piece of paper. I am placing this coin above this paper. Now Agila is going to put this paper. Okay, pass it carefully. Not like that. What happened here? The inertia, again the coin falls into the glass or beaker. Here the inertia of the coin maintains its state of rest. So due to the gravity it falls into the glass or the beaker. So when we pull this paper, the inertia of the coin maintains the state of rest, and due to gravity it falls into the glass. So it's a simple experiment you are given in your textbook. Okay, let's complete. Done.